back to my channel. I'm Komal Singh, and in this video I'm gonna do a very affordable t-shirts collection haul, and all the t-shirts are from Ajio. So I have ordered some 7 t-shirts and none of them has crossed even 200 rupees. Yes, all the t-shirts here are under 160 rupees. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I have ordered these t-shirts on 11th March and received 4 of them on 14th of March and the rest on 16th. So it was kind of quick delivery. So this is the first t-shirt. It has a flower print which says no rain, no flowers. If you can see, it is from the brand DNMX and in the size XS. The price of it says $299, but I have got it around 100 and something. I'll be mentioning the prices here जिसमें मैं लाई हूँ, and the actual price is $299. It is a little see-through. I don't know if you can see. Very little see-through and also little over. So the XS के हिसाब से it is a little बड़ा, but fine. It's totally fine. And yeah, this is the first t-shirt. So the second t-shirt is in blue color. It says yes, get over it. I am that kind of girl. Okay. So it is in the size XS and the actual price is $399 and the price जिसमें मुझे मिला है will be here. So this is from the brand Rio Fashion Basics and it is a very good quality. First, it is very soft कपड़ा एकदम ऐसा सा, and it is a very good quality, very smooth, very baggy. I'll be posting the pictures here, of course. Also, I had second thoughts before buying this t-shirt because इसके जो ऐसे ये जो sleeve पे detailing है, क्योंकि I don't wear such t-shirts, and also there's a detailing on the sleeves. But I am now loving it. It is so good quality, soft kapda, and also fits superbly well. So yeah. And the third t-shirt I have is also from Rio Basics. It is a very baggy t-shirt, एकदम झोला kind of t-shirt. It also says कि ये $399 का है. It is also in the size XS. Of course, these baggy t-shirts मैं XS में ही ली क्योंकि अगर S या थोड़ा एक्सपेरिमेंट करने चलती तो फिर that would be very झोलू. But this बहुत ऐसा baggy and all है. So let's see if I'll wear this out या फिर मैं घर ही में निपटा लूँगी, पता नहीं. And also the print says GAM, बाकी समझ लो, E हटके वो है. So it is ऐसा डिटेलिंग जहाँ निकला हुआ जैसा प्रिंट है, बट देन आई सी कि हर जगह वही है, तो शायद दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ द डिटेलिंग. बट ऑल इन ऑल इट्स अ वेरी कंफर्टेबल टी शर्ट, सॉफ्ट बट नॉट एज सॉफ्ट एज द ब्लू वन, बट ओके कपड़ा. इट्स ऑल्सो ऑन द सॉफ्टर साइड ओनली. द फोर्थ टाइप ऑफ टी शर्ट इज अ बेसिक काइंड ऑफ टी शर्ट. इट इज अ ग्रे कलर with this detailing. It is also from the brand, no, it is from the brand Team Spirit in the size S. Oh god, I thought of buying this थोड़ा बड़ा साइज में ताकि it would be a little oversized या कुछ भी अच्छा लगेगा, but this is एकदम correct fit. XS लाख तो शायद थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइट ऐसा हो जाता शायद. But this is how it is. It is a very nice color grays, look really beautiful. One thing I noticed in t-shirt, मुझे लगा कि t-shirt में खराबी है, but this is a detailing. It has ऐसा कुछ, I don't know if you can see the neon pink and yellow kind ऐसा निकला हुआ. Firstly मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा दिखा, I thought it is damaged or something, but no, this is a detailing and it is nice. The next t-shirt is also from Team Spirit and also in the same material. So this is in the size XS. I don't have इसका tag because I've already worn it. इसके prices मैं यहाँ डाल दूँगी. It says perfect future in neon orange and yellow. Yellow ही बोलेंगे ना? Yeah. And also it has the same kind of detailing t-shirt पे. Neon ऑरेंज और येलो का है, जैसे ग्रे वाले टी शर्ट में था. ऑल्सो नाइस, आई बी पोस्टिंग द पिक्चर्स, आप देख लेना कैसा फिटिंग एंड ऑल है. एंड द नेक्स्ट टी शर्ट आई हैज़ दिस डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ प्रिंट ऑल ओवर, जहाँ इंसान है बट उल्टे इंसान है. इट इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड रियो इन द साइज S. इसका टैग या दिस इज ऑल्सो फॉर $399. द एक्चुअल प्राइस is $399. मुझे कितने में मिला विल बी हियर. आई बॉट दिस in S size because I wanted it to be little oversized, but it is ठीक है, थोड़ा oversized नहीं आता, एकदम ऐसा fitted नहीं है, which is nice. And it is also a little transparent, which is completely fine. कि मतलब गर्मी में किस में क्या पड़ता है. So this is the t-shirt. I kind of like it. It has a little quirky vibe to it, so nice. And the last and final t-shirt I have is for 75 rupees only. Yeah, it's for 75 rupees only. It is from the brand D&MX and the original price is 299 rupees. It is in the size XS. This is a t-shirt. I hope you can see. It is also a little ऐसा oversized kind of thing. ये ऐसा fitted तो नहीं है XS होने के बावजूद, but it is for 79 rupees. सारे टी शर्ट्स में सारे टी शर्ट्स में इस टी शर्ट का क्वालिटी वॉज लिटल ऐसा, बट आई थिंक इट्स ओके बिकॉज 75 रुपीज़ में व्हाट एल्स कैन यू गेट. एंड या सो दिस इज अ टी शर्ट एंड काइंडा ओके, मतलब इट इज़ ओके इफ यू वेयर इट इन द हाउस. या बाहर भी पहन के जा सकते. इट्स जस्ट फाइन, इट्स नॉट वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट, बट या. So that is it to my video. These are the 7 t-shirts I've ordered from Ajio, starting from 75 rupees and not even crossing 160 rupees. So if you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on my Instagram. The link will be in description box below. In case you want to check out these t-shirts, please do check if you are interested. Until I meet, bye bye. Yeah. Well, I have not received. नको कर सागर प्लीज, मैं गुस्सा आता तो दिमाग खराब. I have received it in and कई को ऐसे तंग कर रहा सागर. छोड़ ना रे भाई उसको, क्या फर्क क्या बोलती क्या नहीं बोलती समझ नहीं आता.